Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Good now? Today we will revise book number 2, page number 6. We will revise this one. In previous class, we have completed the writing work also, but let's revise AB words. AB, ab. CAB, cab. Seek, AB, ab, cab. Deed, AB, ab. Dab, cab, dab. Next, L A B ab lab. N A B ab nab lab nab. Next, rhyming words. F for ab fab. G A B ab gab. J A B ab jab. T A B ab tab. Let's go to the page number 7. Page number 7, book number 2, AD words. AD, add. AD, add. So let's start our words. AD words. AD, add. D, AD, add. Dad. D, AD, add. Dad. L, AD, add. Lad. Dad, lad. P, AD, add. Pad. P, AD, add. Pad. S, AD, add. Sad. Pad, sad. Next, rhyming words. BAD, bad. Bad का मतलब पता है, जो खराब होता है. Bad. FAD, fad. Fad मतलब desire, कोई चीज़ को पाने की इच्छा. Fad. GAD, gad. Moving from one place to another for pleasure is known as gad. खुशी से घूमना, बहुत सारी जगह उसे gad बोलते हैं. Mad means पागल. Mad means पागल. TAD, tad. Tad मतलब थोड़ा सा, कोई भी चीज़ थोड़ा सा. So come to page number 8. Practice paper. Write down the date 6/2021 and day is Wednesday. WEDNESDAY. Today is Wednesday. So read the words and match them with the pictures by drawing lines. So what you have to do? You have to read the words and match them with the pictures by drawing line. Here are the words. Here are the pictures. Words are there and pictures are there. What you have to do? You have to draw line. So DAB, dab. DAB, dab. See, in AB words we have read about this. Let's turn the page. See, DAB, dab. Dabbing work. हमने dabbing किया था ना coloring से. So this is your dab. So line it. Dab, dab. DAB, dab. Picture के साथ you have to match. LAB, lab. This is lab. So line. LAB, lab. Then NAB, nab. NAB, nab. CAB, cab. Finish. Now come to the lower part. Lower part पे देखो page number 8. Lower part में look at the pictures and tick the correct words. You have to tick the correct words. जो सही है उसे tick करोगे. See the picture. This is lad. LAD, lad. PAD, pad. So this is lad. So you tick this LAD, lad. Now come to second one. This is pad. MAD, mad. PAD, pad. So what is this? This is pad. PAD, pad. Tick the pad. Another picture. Dad. DAD, dad. So two words are here. Dad and sad. So what have you to tick? DAD, dad. Tick the dad. Come to the notebook work. Notebook work देख के लिखोगे. See. Put the date. यहाँ पर words है, वही words लिखेंगे. AD words. So put the date. Date लिखोगे 30/6/2021 and day is Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. And write down the heading. Heading क्या लिखेंगे? AD words. AD words. AD words. Now start writing. DAD dad. शुरू करेंगे in cursive writing. DAD dad. Before that AD. Write down AD. Add. Practice हो जाएगा. So write down AD. Add 4 times for practice. AD add. AD add. 4 times you have to write. Say and write. AD add. Then dad. DAD dad. D A D dad. Like this way you have to complete dad. Then LAD lad. LAD lad. Write down LAD lad. LAD lad. उसके बाद क्या है? देखो, dad, lad, then comes PAD pad. PAD pad. After pad, SAD sad. SAD sad. Rhyming words. जो rhyming words है, that also we have to write. BAD bad, fad, gad. Start from BAD bad. BAD bad. Then FAD fad. फिर क्या है? FAD fad. FAD fad. Then GAD gad. GAD gad. GAD gad. Then MAD mad. MAD mad. MAD mad. Last one. What is there? TAD tad. TAD tad. Write down TAD tad. So what you have to do? You have to write 2 times. This you have to write 2 times. Dad, lad, bad, sad, bad, fad, gad, mad, tad. You have to read and write. Send me the video of 2 pages by reading. मैं देखना चाहती हूँ कैसे पढ़ते हो with the words. So you have to write this thing 2 times. Thank you. Complete it. Thank you, my dear students. Bye.